Now that I've vacuumed and even wiped out with Dawn and warm water, this bonnet section, probably never been cleaned, at least not, oh gosh, maybe not even in 20 years or longer been cleaned. There is some heavy rusting going on at the top that I may have to get patched. And that is a problem right there. That's the exhaust for the fumes that needs patched. And now I have to get down to the bottom and try and clean out where the cold air circulates down in there. That means going into the cellar. With the shop vac again. Actually not too bad, but we'll definitely need some repair work very soon.